Are you interested in Lively's exclusive services and affordable plans, but don't want to give up your current phone? Great news! Lively now offers the new SIM card kit, letting you add Lively services to your everyday phone. With urgent response, you can connect to certified agents 24/7 for help in emergencies, big or small. The Lively Link app can notify friends or family when you contact urgent response. Plus, you can schedule rides, speak to a nurse, get prescription refills, connect to community resources, and more. All of their plans are affordable and include unlimited talk, text, and at least 1 gigabyte of data with options to add more. No long-term contracts or cancellation fees means you can switch plans at any time and keep your current phone number. To get started, follow the activation steps within the SIM kit. Step 1, confirm your phone's compatibility, review the Lively plans, and choose the one that best fits your needs. Step 2, punch out the SIM card and insert it into your powered-off phone using the included SIM ejection tool. Note the ICC ID number. Step 3, from another phone, call the number listed. A live agent will help you select your plan and activate your phone. Step 4, download the Lively app and add the urgent response widget to access your services. If you're interested in their services but also looking for an easy-to-use device, check out Lively's Jitterbug Flip 2, Jitterbug Smart 4, or the Lively Mobile 2 medical alert device. Whichever device you choose, feel connected, safe, and healthy with Lively right at your fingertips. Have questions about the SIM card kit, services, or other Lively products? Head on over to your nearest Best Buy store or visit us at bestbuy.com and search Lively.